Hi guys, we get lots of questions thanks to you on our YouTube channel, and we're trying to answer them here with another video. So please, I encourage you to ask lots of questions, and we will hopefully get the answers to you. We sometimes batch them, yeah, and I try to give a few answers now. Okay. Under the Critical Skills Visa, does the Department of Home Affairs recognize candidate status with EXA, for examples, or do they consider professional registration? Additionally, does being registered as a candidate engineer with EXA mean full registration with a professional body? Okay, so EXA is the professional body for engineers, okay? So according to the draft regulations and also some circulars, at the moment they're happy if you can prove that you applied for EXA registration. So you don't have to have a full EXA registration, but EXA is the professional body, so there's not another body on that, okay? Dual citizenship. What should be done if your country of origin does not allow dual citizenship? Well, that depends on the country where you come from. If you're German, then you most likely don't want to lose your German citizenship, so do not apply for a South African one, because then you will lose it. So in general, if you want to keep your current citizenship and your country does not allow dual citizenship, please do not apply for South African citizenship, because already the fact that you apply for it might trigger the loss of your other citizenship. So you don't have to have South African citizenship granted. The fact that you apply for it is enough. Okay. What is the current processing times for a retirement visa from the UK? I'm interested in trying in South Africa. So it used to, so if you're a UK passport holder, you want to submit a retired visa in the UK, you go to the VFS offices in London, Edinburgh, Manchester, I think. They will take in the application, then it gets actually adjudicated at the High Commission. In London, they used to work very reliable around 30 to 35 days. Now I hear rumors and some of my clients are complaining and they're waiting already 3 months. So at the moment, we are now in February 2024, I think the processing times in London are quite long with 90 days. Okay. Spousal visa application delay. I applied for a spousal visa with a work endorsement in March 2022, but haven't received any updates. Whenever I call the DHA helpline, they end the call without comment. What should I do? Yeah, it's a very common question and unfortunate. Two things. I think you should write lots of public letters and complain to various sources influencing the minister that the attitude of not dedicating any resources in processing spousal visas is maybe insulting and doesn't help a lot of investors because they might be married. So that's number one. But now to answer your question, you can sue Home Affairs individually. There's quite a lot of, it's a clear legal path established. If Home Affairs doesn't adjudicate certain applications, certain time periods, you can ask them to adjudicate it. You can't ask them to approve something, but you can ask them to adjudicate. You can go the individual route. A lot of people are successful, or you can join class action lawsuits where you join other people on similar basis. These are the two options you probably have. Okay. Then visitor visa to relative visa. Can a visitor visa be changed to a relative's visa once I'm in the country, considering my parents are permanent residents? No. So you can change from a visitor visa to a relative's visa if you are the foreign parent of a South African citizen, and that must be a minor. So if your child is a South African citizen, then you can change it, or you're married to a South African, but that's not the question here. But if your parents are permanent residence holders, then you would be the child. It's not clear here if you're a minor or a major, but no, you can't then change here because the Constitutional Court wanted to protect the unity of the family and actually the right of the children. And that's why they said foreign parents can change the status. Okay. Retirement visa and bank interest income. For a retirement visa, is it acceptable to show my bank interest income from another country or South African bank as a form of passive income? Okay, so foreign income is absolutely acceptable. So foreign retirement annuities or foreign interest in a foreign bank is acceptable for a retired visa.